Class, for your final project, I wanted to provide you with a great resource that will be very helpful to you as you complete the project. So let's go over the project first, and then I will share with you the resource that I have available. So for this final project, you have been learning about branding, a SWOT analysis, and identifying various marketing techniques. So now you're going to put all of this together and create a real-world marketing plan. First thing you need to do is identify a healthcare facility that was recently cited by the OIG or has been investigated by a journalist, and then you're going to develop a marketing plan for this healthcare facility. The marketing plan must include a cover page, a reference page, and must be completed using Microsoft PowerPoint. You are going to include an organizational summary, an analysis of the external environment, threats and opportunities, marketing goals and objectives, the target market, the list of possible competitors, talk about your marketing strategy as well as marketing tactics, and the budget. How much money do you think this is going to cost you? So if we look over here at the essentials of marketing, there's a marketing plan coach website that has all of the various components that I just described to you. You have your executive summary. So if you click on the executive summary, it provides you with an example of an executive summary. And they actually did a full marketing plan on the Hillside Veterinarian Clinic. So that's what the entire marketing plan is on. And so if we go back to the analysis of the external environment, it has that external environment. So you click on the external environment link and it gives you the different components of the external environment and what things are taking place that may impact the marketing plan that they are creating for the veterinary clinic. Then we go to threats and opportunities, which is from our SWOT analysis. And as you can see, they listed, which you also need to list, all the components of your SWOT. You have your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats. So make sure you list each of those components. Next, we have the target market. So they talk about the target market and non-customers versus customers, and you can do it either way. And also for each one, their target market, they talk about what products they'll have, how they plan to promote it, basically using the 4 Ps. The product, how they plan to promote it. There's more promotion strategies, the placement, as well as the price. So you can use all of these or some of these just depending on what and how you want your marketing plan, what you plan to include in your marketing plan and what is appropriate for it basically. And again, they talk about current customers. And so for current customers, they do something similar, how they can plan to use their product. And they talk about the various packages under the product promotion, how they are promoting to their current customers and how it looks like they plan to expand upon that. In addition, they have another promotion. So they have a couple of promotion strategies basically and they talk about the various products. Now, in going back to the plan, they talk about or describe who the competitors are. They actually have a competitors matrix. So they list all of the competitors. They list the location, number of doctors, the services, and looks like all of the ways in which they promote or advertise and the services that they provide. So they have a couple of different veterinary clinics, I guess, within a certain distance from where they are located. and they talk about those competitors. Again, you can list just several of those competitors that are relevant for your organization or your marketing project that you will be doing. You don't have to list a certain number. Finally, there is a budget, which again is a make-believe budget. So just pretend that you are the marketing person, and so you need to look at how much the various marketing tactics are going to cost you. And they have a good plan here that lists, like, for example, they're doing brochures, website design, and signs, and they put a cost of how much that may cost them. Okay, so you're just going to list that, or you can list something like this where they talk about customer service satisfaction, brochures and signs, and maybe personnel for longer hours to attend community events, and they talk about the costs by month. So you can do it either way. You don't have to do this part about the income statement. Just avoid that. But you could talk about marketing tactics and how much you anticipate that costing you, or you could do it this way for other expenses, including personnel, etc. And that's pretty much it. So I will post this link in the email that I'm sending along with the video, so you can go to this Essentials of Marketing and use this marketing plan coach as help to you for completing your final assignment. If you have questions, please make sure you ask them early, and because this is the last week of class, so you need to make sure that you ask questions early on so you get the answers to the questions and you're able to complete your project on time. Take care.